Alright, this is going to be my first video, so bear with me here. I'm going to be doing a guitar tutorial on the solo to the song Fools by the band Drugdealer. Really sick solo. It almost sounds like Mark Knopfler if you're a Dire Straits fan, you know. You want to be preferably a Strat. I mean, it doesn't matter what guitar you're playing, but if you want to sound just like the song, if you're like me and you've got to get as close as possible, I'd stick with the Strat because that's what he uses in the music video. I forget the guitarist's name. But yeah, single coils would be good. You want to be on the neck pickup. And yeah, I'll just play it all the way through and you guys can, I'll just go from there. So here we go. Alright, so hopefully the audio doesn't sound like shit in that and you can actually hear what I'm playing. But to start, pretty much, if you're going to be right in this box here in the B minor pentatonic scale, so if you know that, it pretty much stays there, and if you know that, it'll be easy. So starting, it's going to be on the 10th fret on the B string, and you want to have it already pre-bent, so then down to the 7th, so then on the G string, same thing. So, oh, don't do that. Alright, and then you're going to go down here. Okay, so all together. And then you're going to do another bend. You're going to do a bend on the 10th fret, but add a little vibrato. Alright. And then you're going to go in. So once again, all together. Okay, then, oh, come on, focus. Alright, there we go. Then you're going to jump up to the 12. Same thing, vibrato again, so. Alright, so the whole first half, sorry if I'm going slow, I'm terrible at, you know. Anyways, here we go. And then you're going to go up here, slide from the 7th to the 9th on the D. Then you're going to come down right there, and that's the 7th fret on the G string. So, and then you're going to go down, and it's going to be the 6th fret, sorry, and down to 4th. So, alright. So if you got that part's not too hard, but then this part here might be a little tricky for some, but it's all on this hand. You got to be alternate picking, quick picking. So you're gonna almost do it with a little like triad shape right here. It's gonna be middle finger is gonna be G string of the 11th fret, and then B string, and you're gonna bar the B and the high E right there on the 10th fret. So you're just going. So you're just sliding up. Okay, got that, and then you're gonna come down here. So that's gonna be the G string on the 9th fret, and then the high E string on the 9th fret. So, and then same shape down to the 7th. And then you're gonna do the same shape as you did up here on the 11th, but down here on the 6th. So, and same thing down to the 4th. Okay, and then you're gonna almost do like you could bar an A chord. Or sorry, oh god. Let me go down here. There we go. And then you're just gonna do a little hammer on and pull off right there on the 3rd fret of the high E. So all together, that last part. And then you don't really hear the lead in the rest of the song other than like on the chorus. And if you want to know that, I'll teach that. It's so it's gonna be again. He likes to bend right here. He likes that area, but for the chorus, it's gonna go bend up on the 10th, and you're gonna get your pinky right here on the high E on the 10th. So then up here the 12th. So there you go. And I just play rhythm sometimes too, like you do B minor. 7. And just kind of mess around there, but yeah, and then there's, I don't know the rest of the solo at the end, but he does. Whoops. Still learning that, but yeah, that's pretty much the solo. And all together, if you want, since I'm rambling on like an idiot because I don't know how to do YouTube videos, I'll just play it all the way through once again. So here we go. Alright, thanks for bearing with me. Sorry if I was too fast, sorry if I was too slow, but if you somehow come across this video, recommend me songs you guys like me to teach, and yeah, I hope to make more of these. Thanks, guys.